are preparing Antique Shop's general account check for the pay period ended July 15th. Payment date is July 15th, balance brought forward, we'll put that on there, and what our account number is. And where we're getting these numbers is from the work together that we did yesterday.
Well, good, because I didn't do that.
Oh, I know, we'll help you out. Okay, so we always fill out the check stub part first. So our date, they told us, was July 15th.
How are you supposed to fit that on the little tiny line?
7-.
Yeah.
Oh.
2013.
Still can't fit it. No.
Okay, then to figure out what the amount is, those of you that were here yesterday did 12.3. You want to look back and see from our payroll register what was our total net pay.
For who?
Our total.
Oh, 1,686.
That would be correct. So there by the dollar sign, it's $1,600.86. And our 2 is payroll account. And then there's a number that goes with that, so you might have to write this on the next line. So it's payroll account 063 9583. 063 9583. And it's for payroll for July 1st through the 15th. Okay, then our balance brought forward, that's what they told us in the book. So our balance brought forward is $16,542.00. Okay, we didn't have a deposit, so you can leave that blank. You can carry down that same number to the total. 16,542. Amount this check. So that's how much we're writing this check for. So $1,600.86. So we'll subtract that. So our new balance carried forward will be $14,941.14. Okay, now you can go ahead and write out your check how you would. You already have all the information, so it's July 15th. You're paying the order of is that payroll account with the number.
Payroll with that weird 06.
Yeah.
Thanks. Is that total right on the balance carried forward?
No, it's 14,000.
What was the balance carried forward?
14,941.
Oh, 14,000. I didn't think that looked right.
How do we get that? Okay, but 16. That's not 14.
Can you do it on your calculator?
That's what it is.
What is your password
For what?
for your get online?
4780.
4780.
You know my username?
It's blocked.
That's right.
Oh, it's 4780.
4780.
Oh, I have another 0. So like 16,500 minus 16,000 is not 14,000.
Okay, now the second part of this is we're going to, for the pay period July 15th, we're going to prepare our payroll checks for Judy and Mike. And we will know how much we we have to do for that from our stuff from yesterday once again. Okay, so our pay period ended there. We're going to do kind of the check stub part again. It's July 15th. And then the rest of these numbers we're just bringing over from yesterday's problem. So our earnings, this is the total, was $1,079. No cents. Their regular earnings was $1,040. Their overtime was $39. Okay, and then the box for deductions, that's the total from our 12-3. So that would be $205.55. Our income tax is $48. Social Security tax was $66.90. Medicare tax, $15.65. Health insurance, $60. And then our other is going to be a fee, $15. Fee for bonds. You'll figure it out. Okay, so our net pay would be the earnings minus the deductions. So $873.45. Okay, for the check writing, it's July 15th. And this check is for Judy Hensley.
That's what I was feeling with. It's still 70.
CBE and 2I. Okay, now our second check for Mike. So pay period ended 7/15/2013. Mike's earnings were $971.75. Regular $920. Overtime $51.75. Deductions $244.34. Income tax was $95. Social Security $60.25. Medicare $14.09. Health insurance $60. Other is a B15. And Mike's net pay is $727.41. We'll go ahead and fill out the check for Mike McHugh. 187. And so that's what you do for that part. So then we have everything done. Go ahead and do the on your own. Those of you that